Mr. Delgado helps. Hi, I am Mr. Delgado, and I am here to help you. I hope to be useful and resolve your concerns.
Gutter cleaning.
Today we are going to learn how to clean your gutters. Cleaning roof gutters is a small task that can prevent big problems. Follow these simple steps for cleaning your home's gutters and making simple gutter repairs. Hi ma'am, I'm here to help you.
Hi, thanks. So what should we do?
So we have to follow 5 simple steps. Step 1. Begin cleaning the gutter near a downspout. Step 2. Remove the large debris, leaves, twigs, with a trowel and dump it in a bucket. Step 3. To clean out finer materials, flush the gutter lengths with a hose starting at the end opposite the downspout. Alternatively, you can use a gutter cleaning attachment on the hose. If the water doesn't drain, recheck the downspout strainer and clean as necessary. If gutter water still doesn't drain, the downspout may be clogged. 1. Check the drain end. If the downspout runs underground, remove it from the pipe as needed. 2. Install a small nozzle on the hose, and lock it at full pressure. Turn on the water and feed the hose up from the bottom of the spout. If this doesn't clear the downspout, or the nozzle is too big, use a plumber's snake tool to clear the blockage. 3. Reattach the downspout. 4. Flush the entire gutter again. 5. Be sure to clean the downspout strainers.
DelgadosContractor.com 973-472-7869